Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data and identifying the exact problem. You back up files immediately because remediation can stress a failing disk. Once done, run Smart and a targeted CHKDSK or manufacture a diagnostic to read sector maps and error counts. Make sure to record the drive model, serial, and health percentage so you know if replacement is inevitable. You want precise bad sector addresses rather than guessing, because targeted efforts can avoid unnecessary full disk operations and speed recovery planning. You now attempt logical repairs that can reclaim data and mark sectors as unusable. Start with CHKDSK/R on Windows or FSCK with bad blocks on Linux to force reallocation of readable sectors. These tools rewrite and remap metadata so the OS avoids them. If errors remain, use the drive maker's utility to trigger internal bad block reallocation. When reads fail intermittently, clone the drive with ddresq to a healthy disk to preserve maximum data before destructive fixes. Since cloning reduces, you finish by validating results and making a durable decision. Verify cloned or repaired data with checksums and boot tests to ensure system integrity. Once done, run Smart again to confirm no rising reallocated sector count. If manufacturer low-level remap succeeded, monitor for stability, but make sure to plan replacement if reallocated sectors continue to grow or Smart shows impending failure. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs fail or errors spike, stop using the drive and restore from the clone to avoid cascading data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.